the function y equals the quantity 3x plus 5 to the second power, and the x value is negative 5. The delta x is 0.4. It means x is the x1. x1 is negative 5. So then the x2 is x1 plus delta x, which is negative 5 plus 0.4. What do you get, Min?
Negative 4.6.
Negative 4.6, yes. And we are going to find the delta y minus dy as before. So on the side notes, since the delta x is the same as dx, okay? What you have to do, first step, we're going to find the delta y, which is the function at x2 minus function at x1. The function at x2 is the function at negative 4.6, subtracted by the function at x1, which is negative 5. So we replace negative 4.6 into the problem, which is 3 times negative 4.6 quantity plus 5, and then the whole quantity squared. Did you follow this function
Yeah,
form? Okay.
yeah.
And then 3 times negative 5 plus 5 to the second power. All right, what do you get for the function at negative 4.6?
I get 77.44.
Okay, so we get, let me check the number real quick here. So you get, oops, wrong one. Um, 77.44,
Yeah.
and then subtracted by the other number. What would that be?
100.
100 is from negative 15 plus 5, that's negative 10 squared, so 100. So then the difference of these two numbers would be
Negative
20,
22.6.
negative 22 point,
6.
no, would be 5, 6. Is that right?
Oh, yeah. I think I'm wrong on that one.
Okay, so delta y is negative 22.56. And then for the dy or the differential y, from the dy by dx equals y prime. So the differential y is y prime multiplied by dx. The y prime is the derivative. What rule we are using for the y prime?
The general power rule.
Right, we're gonna use the general power rule. So this is so use this as a general power rule. So the power is 2. So n equals 2, and the function gx is 3x plus 5. Okay? 2 times the quantity, 3x plus 5, raised to the power 2 minus 1, which is 1, and multiply by the g prime. G prime is 3. So multiply by 3. Therefore, the y prime is 6 multiplied by 3x plus 5. You got the same?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then put in here. So then the dy or the differential y is 6 multiplied by 3x plus 5 and multiplied by dx. Dx is the same as the,
0.4.
right, dx is the same as that one. So gonna be 0.4 here. And what is the x that we are using? The x is the current x value, okay? Which means the x1. So then replace x with the value negative 5 in there. So we bring it into the problem to find the differential dy. So 6 multiplied by 3 times negative 5 plus 5, and then multiply by 0.4. All right, what number do you get? So 6 times parentheses 3 times -5. What did I do here?
Negative.
Hmm?
Wait a second. Got negative
Does it
24.
-10 times 6 times 4, right?
Yeah.
And you get -200. Is that right?
Now get
Times
negative
0.4 is
-24.
negative
Negative
24,
24.
right? It's negative 24. So we got dy equals negative 24 and delta y negative 22.56. And we place into the main part of the problem here. Delta y negative 22.56 minus the dy negative 24. And the answer comes out to be what?
Oh, I think I'm wrong on the
Delta
y prime.
y
The y prime.
or the y prime.
Yeah, because on the part I distribute them. I distribute before I block negative 2. I block the negative 5 on
I
the.
see.
So we cannot distribute.
So the answer is 1.440 as 3 decimal places.